I'm not watching my movie. Sometimes I've ended up cutting these off. I feel I'm going to end up doing it here. Ain't gonna matter. So next thing is this crap. It's a really nicely fitted toilet. Someone remind me. Oh yeah, that's for the money. Okay. So what we have to do now is cut through that. How much easier was that? Okay, got this one. Clearly it's been rusted. Pull those off. Don't get to see them that big anymore. Clearly that's been leaking for the longest of times. Go and pick up the parts for that. Return, fit it, sort it out, test it, and then we'll be on our way to the next job. Bit of a miserable day today weather-wise. So we'll put this on. It goes straight through. Check the other side. We can go back on there. Get these two bolts through, one and yep. Going down the pub? I don't know about that. Yeah, would you believe this is what I do for work? Yeah. Yeah, I've often wondered about it too. Yeah.
Daddy work.
Yeah? Does he work on poo-poo as well? I could have such a...
Daddy don't work.
No, Daddy's not working on poo-poo, no. You wait till you're older and someone says, what do you want to work on? Yeah, unicorns. Yeah. You could be a unicorn mechanic. Gee, what language is that? I'm going to put this back in now. Here are these. Okay. Oh yeah, you go good dabber. I used to speak like that. Okay, so tighten these down. Man, I wish I could speak like that. So I'm just going to install this bit. It's okay. And we'll just have the lever under there. No leaks there. Okay. Just pull it up a bit higher. That's on our mark. So just put this on. new button. So these come off into bits, so you should be able to put that through there, standard size. On there. Spin it down. That's us. Just spin that around to there. Yep. It's a new button. Tighten that down. You can put that on there if you want. And then that just clips on there. Yep. That's us. That will swivel around. That's us. Give it a little flush. No leaks. Perfect. There's nothing else I can do. At least we've got a working toilet here. Right, done. Let's take this cover off here. Okay, seal is okay. So this looks a bit dramatic, doesn't it?
Let's go to work.
It looks to me like there's been a bit of a gas escape on that pilot light, which has then caught fire or sparked up this cable. So we'll replace this and see what it does. But yeah, pretty rubbish. Aside, this is gone. Okay, so it's totally broken there. There's an there's an ignition cable that's just totally burnt to pieces. And another cable goes on here. Through there. Okay. That's our cable. The other end. Flame. Can smell that. Jesus. Okay, so here you can see the flame looks like it's coming down the pot. So, seems okay after that.
Yeah, looking in the window, I couldn't see anything, anything flashing, so...
So for me to confirm this, you can see here, look, the pipe's just come out of here. So it's probably escaped out of there, sent the fire over here. We'll take this out and see if we can get this sorted out for the chap. Yeah, that allows us to take this spark electrode out, which then enables us to do this. And what we'll do is we'll try and clean it all up. Okay, so there's the three bits. So you've got your thermocouple there, spark electrode, and the pilot. So we'll give this all a good clean up. Okay, so the end of this has snapped off in there, and the other end is just burnt away. See if we can go and get one of these. This is all a bit dirty, so we'll just... So that's your viewing glass there. It's all a bit fragmented, but I've seen a lot worse. Your spark electrode, and again, this can be cleaned up, clean up. I'll just give it a little file. It's okay, happy with that. So I want this blown off straight away. Let's undo the bottom bit. Have a look in here. Check, see what's going on. Okay, that clearly hasn't been cleaned in a long time, has it? So, big old lumps falling out of there. Straight into my tea. Air cylinder for, it's a buddy bottle for diving. Hold the end, if not it could whack you straight in the face. Now we're just going to blow the other bit. So what I want to do is just double check, so I'll hold on to that. Cover off here and to have a look through to see what's going on. What I normally do is shine the light over here and then have a look through. And you can kind of see the clearing of the heat exchanger.
You ready?
Yep, I got the part, and because the boiler's so old, it's not a new part. It's a used part. So
Generally, do you think the boiler's sort of strong?
they're a good boiler. Put it this way: when this stops working, you'll know because there'll be water on the floor, or the CO alarms will start going off. Have either of them gone off in the past? Because you've got quite a few here.
One that's on the top of the microwave there was making a right racket.
Okay.
It was old.
It was old, yeah. So only 5 or 6 years max.
Yeah, so the thing was to just change it. So since then there's been nothing.
No. Okay.
Nothing at all. So you reckon when it goes it'll be catastrophic?
That the heat exchanger actually expires, so you find there's a leak in it or something. That's the end of that once it does that, because we can't get any spares for them. It's not cost effective to even try and repair it, because the amount that you'll spend on faffing around with it, you'd be better off just buying a new boiler, unfortunately.
Right.
I enjoy working on old boilers. A little bit fiddly this. That pipe is all the way in that socket. So we'll just twist that into the right place, which is there. So that's a universal that's going in. The key here is that you want to pull as much as possible through, not sharp kinks. And that in there, just as a security measure. I'm gonna, because why not? Won't do any harm. This has just got like a plate that sits underneath. It takes up this space here, so there's not so much of a gap. Yeah, that's good. It goes on there, seals up this bit here. Yeah. So what you want to do is try and coil this up, or we'll just push it behind the boiler so that it's not kinked. Get this back on. Little groove there, that's the right space for it. Really important that you get that in the right place, because without it, there you go, that was clicked in the right place there. Yeah. Now we're all happy. Okay, we're all good underneath. Give it all a wiggle, nothing goes out. It's cleaning up as we speak, so I'll turn that off. Put a cover back on here. All I've got to do is work out how this thing works. If it checks out, then it's okay, but
this is the funny thing about these boilers. Sometimes they produce less. Yeah.
Oh, what does that mean?
Well, that one's terrible. That one's leaking like a sieve. And this one is leaking. 2 out of 4.
But
anything's possible on this job. The way this kitchen's been built, anything's possible.
yeah, well, yeah, I wouldn't disagree with you now.
Yeah. Let's hope that I've cut in the right pipe.
Actually,
anyway.
this kitchen was built by, started off by one builder, and then he was sacked.
Charming.
Yeah. He actually put that so-called, whatever it is, that chimney thing, put it up in the ceiling. And at that point,
Right.
he had to go.
So one service valve turned off, cap on the top.
Where's that? Collecting this family from what would you say?
I did see somebody's kitchen the other day who had painted the boiler the same colour as the walls, and I thought, interesting.
Well,
I wouldn't have minded, but it was bright red.